Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable wireless fast charging. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on battery. Scroll down. Click on charging settings. Here you will see fast wireless charging. And if you want to turn on fast wireless charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, fast wireless charging will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix wireless charging not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.